Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the next video. So in this video we are going to discuss about an off-campus pseudocode which is asked in Capgemini. So if you are preparing for any of these companies like Capgemini, Accenture or Infosys, then you have to check out the playlist guys. The link is there in the description. So we have created one playlist which is specially for pseudocodes you know that in off-campus assessments in Capgemini they'll be having lot of pseudocodes. In Accenture also they'll be asking ton of pseudocodes, and in Infosys it is favorite thing for them guys, so they'll be asking lot of questions on pseudocode. Now coming to today's session, I'll be discussing this particular code, and you can see this is a screenshot which I have taken from the Capgemini, and the code is pretty much lengthy. Don't worry about this one, it's pretty much easier guys. So easily you can solve this one if you have basic knowledge, right? So the options are something like this: writing is the first option, writing book is the second, and writing code is the third one. After that there is fourth option that says compilation error. Now let us see which one will be the suitable answer for this one. So I'll just read out the question, or I can say the code. So there is one abstract class whose name is writer, and it has got one public static void and write. So this is basically a method guys, so whose return type is void and whose name is write. So note that the write here which is written is capital and here it is written in small, so that's why don't think of like a constructor, right? So here it is a method. So now the method contains one sysout statement that is writing as the output. Okay, so if this get executes, then writing will be printed. Okay, got it. After that there is another class whose name is author, and it is extending the writer class. That means it is inheriting the writer class. So all the methods which are present in writer class will be getting copied to the author class, and here we are overriding, I can say overriding the writer class, because here you can see the same signature is maintained, public static void write, and the implementation is changed here. So the implementation is changing. So here we are printing system.out.println writing, but here we are printing writing book. Okay, so after that now let us scroll down. So there is another class whose name is programmer, and it is also extending the writer class. So now public static void and write, so this is also overriding, that is method overriding, and here we are writing the code. Okay, so these are the three possible sysout statements which will be getting. Now the final method is here, that is main method. So public static void means string arguments. Main method is proper guys, there is no problem. And here we are creating the object of the programmer class and storing it into the reference type writer. So that means it's upcasting, creating the object of subclass and storing it to a type of reference superclass. So because writer is a superclass, it is getting inherited to programmer, author and other classes. So here I have created the object of subclass and stored it to a reference of type superclass. So in this scenario I will be able to access the method, or if I call the write method, I will be getting the output, that is the one which has got created with the object. I mean I have created the object of this one, that is for programmer class I have created the object. Then the method which I am writing here like w.write, so write is present in everywhere, in this class. Okay, so in class author is also write present, and in class write is also the write present. This is the class, here also write is there, and here also write is there, and here also write is there, but the one which will be getting executed depends on the object of the class on which we have created. So here the object is created for the programmer class, so for programmer only the write method is going to execute. So the method which is going to execute is this one, and the sysout statement says that writing code is the output. So here I'll come to the options. You can see the first option is writing ruled out, then ruled out, then this is also ruled out. So proper answer for this one is writing code, that is option C. So like this we have to solve the pseudocodes, properly analyze the code guys, and just apply the concept which you have learned. So if you want to master the Java, then we have created one complete course of 50 to 60 hours which contains the content Java starting from scratch, that is variables, then OPS concept, exception handling, error handling, file handling, and after that we have also taught like a JDBC and Spring frameworks. So if you are interested, then please check out the playlist guys, link is there in the description. And apart from that, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. We will be uploading these type of videos continuously. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.